This is probably not going to come out right, but we don't drive this anymore, really. It's been sitting for like 2 weeks in freezing temperatures. So, figure why not fire up the purple turd and make sure that pile of crap interstate battery that was in it when I bought the car like 6 years ago is still holding a charge. Well, I guess normally interstates are a pile of crap. This one seems to still be going. We're at 206,806 miles. And the worn out ignition makes this a giant pain in my ass. Gotta get the key just right in this thing for it to work. There we go. Heard the fuel pump run. Ah, fires right up. Wow. The check engine light's even gone. What the hell? It's been on for years. You telling me you want to work? I'm gonna run for a minute. But it's in a fairly sad state. Glove box is broken now, it doesn't close. Headliner and everything is still fine. Like, interior wise, dash is still good. Dusty, but good. It's the only Cavalier I've been in where the headliner and sun visors and everything is literally perfect. Seats are perfect. Carpet is dirty, but it's not bad. Nothing's cracked up. Original radio works. Cigarette lighter works. Everything works. Runs like tits, but other than that, it's fairly drivable still. Even drops right into gear, like. No problems. It's even running smooth right now. Sort of. I want to shut it off and go inside, but if I shut it off now, it's running rich as hell and it'll flood. Let it sit for a minute. And see if it's flooded. Yep, it flooded. Oh man. You got to take your foot and plaster it to the floor. Come on. Oh, I did it now. Battery gonna die. I'm gonna have to jump it. Fuck. Let it sit for a minute. That's why I didn't want to shut it off. I just wanted to see if it would restart. Clearly it's not going to. Let's try no throttle. There we go. Poor starter gear. I'm actually going to take the thing for a drive. I'll be back, guys.